Hello, Rabia. How are you?
I'm fine. How about you, Apu?
I'm fine too. I really want to get something to eat.
What do you want?
I cannot decide what to get.
What kind of food do you want to get?
I think I might like some Chinese food.
Do you know where you are going to get it?
Honestly, I don't know.
I go to Dhanmondi for having Chinese food.
You like the food there?
I really like the food.
I think I will go and get my food there.
I think you will enjoy the food.
I enjoyed talking to you.
I enjoyed talking to you too.
We should hang out sometime.
I think that would be nice.
I am going to call you soon.
I will talk to you later.
See you soon.
Goodbye. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.